Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and here I'm going to share the coupon code for Aliexpress.com. If you are from UK and US, you can simply use this coupon code on the checkout page while purchasing anything from Aliexpress. So here I'm going to share 4 coupon code where you will get 15, 20 and 30% discount. It's total depend on coupon code terms and conditions. So here I'm going to share 4 coupon code which is working right now, and if it is working for you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because it takes time to find working coupon code. So if it is not working, you can also comment down below, because you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here I am going to share 4 coupon code which is working right now on AliExpress. So here is the 4 coupon code.